All right, I can't believe I'm actually doing this. I swear I wouldn't do this corny shit, but this is my very first vlog. Yeah, I feel stupid talking to a camera. If I see other people talking to their cameras, I just comment on how stupid they are, but now I'm doing it myself. But the reason I wanted to do these videos is because I really want to invest in this channel. I've tried in the past and work has always just taken over, but it feels a little differently this time. So hopefully I can provide some good content and film whatever I can. I don't have any expectations on any of this stuff. I just enjoy doing it. And for the first time in my life, it's like I found something that I enjoy doing, so I'm gonna keep doing it. And maybe something will come out of it, maybe not, but for now it can't hurt to try. So the only thing I regret is not doing this vlogging stuff sooner, and I'm talking like 2014 and 2015 when I had my BRZ. I built that thing and not one video was taken. Actually, one video, and that was the exhaust clip, but that was about it. And same with this build right here. I pretty much got it to where I want it to be power wise, and there's not much more I can do to it, but aside from driving it, and which is why I kind of wanted to revamp the channel and just do a bunch of point of view videos and just drive, man. That's all I want to do. I'm not here to inspire anybody. I want to make this as organic as possible. I want to be myself in these videos, and I'm not, if you're looking for advice, I'm not here to tell you to change your life or chase your dreams or whatever. It's just I'm doing this because it makes me happy. So if you guys enjoy that, great. If not, then just move on. As far as duration, honestly, I don't know. If something is interesting, I'll film it, but I'm not gonna do these daily vlogs. I have a 9 to 5 and it's impossible with my schedule. So hopefully you guys can understand that and still stick around. So one thing I did notice is that a lot of the newer vloggers like myself always start off with the vlog, like an intro, and it's like, who are you introducing yourself to? No one is following you, and I don't want to give off that kind of vibe. Again, or I want to focus on being organic. That's it. So with that being said, now that I got the dramatic intro out of the way, you guys know a little bit more about me. Let's start the first vlog. So I recently posted my backup wheels, the Motegi MR133s, for sale. The reason is because I don't think I'll be using them anymore. I'm running the Method wheels here full time, just because they have a better tire that could grip a lot better than these stock Dunlops. And I don't mean to compare stock versus a performance tire, but it's just the way it is. It's what I have. So these Method wheels, if you saw the other video, they're wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sports, and honestly it's a great bang for your buck tire. Shout out to Melee, shout out to Mitch at Melee Design Firm for selling these to me for a good price. And yeah, so about these wheels, the person is interested in buying them for $600. I think it's a pretty good deal considering it comes with the TPMS sensors, the hub rings, and the center caps. Never be too safe. I can't trust anyone nowadays, so hopefully it goes well. If it does, you'll be seeing this video live. If not, then something happened to me, so we'll go from there. Lame. Hey, how's it going? Sorry about that, I got confused.
No, it's cool.
Hey, is it okay if you guys are in my vlog?
Yeah.
Alright. I'm Ron, by the way. Nice to meet you. This is from the rear passenger. They're all labeled, but if you want to check it out, here you go. Everything is clean. No curbs or anything, so.
Yeah, I just curb wrapped pretty bad too. Not long ago, like 2 weeks ago, on the right.
Oh, yours?
Yeah.
Oh man.
Horrible.
Yeah, and the only reason I like got, you know, I'm selling them because I put these ones back on. They just have better tires.
Are we getting your YouTube after that?
Hell yeah, please, man, that'd be dope. Don't expect anything big. I just started, so.
No, it's cool. I'm gonna start too. Anything but nothing.
Yeah, so yeah, what do you think? Alright, so YouTube, you'll find me at Ron from Portland. Yeah. Alright, see you later, man. Take care.
I like your Subaru.
Oh, thanks, man. Appreciate it. Oh, I'm so glad I got that on video. Hell yeah, that's dope.
I like the wheels. I'll put them. I'm gonna put the same ones on my 2003 Subaru Forester.
Oh, nice. All right, so we had to stop by Burgerville before we got home, but yeah, it was a successful sale. Thank you to Jesus and Ernesto for subscribing. I really appreciate it. I told you guys, don't expect anything big out of this these videos, but thank you again for subscribing and for watching the other videos in the parking lot. But yeah, the wheels are now gone, and now I have to run this setup full time. So no complaints, they were good wheels, but moving on to better things. So I think I'm gonna wrap up the vlog here. Hopefully it wasn't too boring being my first vlog, but yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.